Hello, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech with another exciting video where your geeky grandpa talks tech. Hey, but before we get into that, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell so you know whenever I got a new video out for you. Anyway, summertime is coming and everybody's worried about their cars getting overheated. One of the problems, of course, it's baking outside and it's baking in the car. So one of the resolutions that people use, of course, is to put some type of sun shield on their windshield. Whether it's just a couple of towels on top of the steering wheel, on the seats to keep it from getting that hot, or they go buy a sun shield. And I'm going to be reviewing today the BrellaShield or BrellaShield. But let's talk about some of the problems that most people have with these. And of course, that is that a lot of these are bulky and they're large. So after you've used them, they don't fold up very well with a place to go. And the other problem is that they go behind and they also go behind the rear view mirror. That creates a heat buildup right there. And a lot of times your rear view mirror will fall off or anything else. So let's get into that right now. Let's talk about the product a little bit. So, like I say, it packs just like an umbrella. Just take it out of its sleeve. Comes with its own carrying case. And it opens just like an umbrella. I'm actually doing this for the first time on camera. So you have to pull on the handle, just like you would an umbrella, to get it out. And then just keep going. Now, what I did find, though, is that you have to really unfold it completely before you try to open it. That was not in the directions. Once I unfolded it completely, it would open. It does. And it unfolds just like an umbrella, except it's flat and reflective. Now, one of the problems that you have with many of the car shields or sun shields is that they mount underneath the rear view mirror. Now that's a problem because most people have dash cams now and they have phone holders and things like that. And because they do, that causes a heat buildup right there. And I don't know if you ever had the problem with the regular sun shield where the glue will come loose from the windshield because of the heat buildup. But this leaves enough space that you don't have that issue. And once you folded it back up just like an umbrella, it goes right into its case and it's out of the way. Unlike a regular sun shield, it's large and you'll know where to put it after you've packed it up. So let me give you my final thoughts. So as you can see here, it's a very simple product to use. The latch is a little tricky to open. You have to fully unfold it for it to open. And open it just like an umbrella, pull on the handle, it's open. Then there's a little button there that you release, just like an umbrella, and you open it and you put it in place, and it does its job. One of the things that I like about the product, of course, is that it does not go behind the rear view mirror. And that is important. Why is that important? One of the problems that with sun shields is they go behind the rear view mirror. Now, while it still uses the car's sun visors on the right and left side to help it support it, and sometimes you could actually put that in just the way it is. One of the problems putting it behind the rear view mirror is a lot of us have dash cams now, and we have cell phone holders, and that builds up a tremendous amount of heat because there is no ventilation, no space in there to allow heat to dissipate between there. And I've had problems with some sun visors getting so hot that the rearview mirror fell off, or the dash cam fell off because it got so hot it melted the plastic. So those are some things to consider when one of the benefits to this product. And of course, the most important thing is it's small; it disappears. And when you're going on a road trip and everybody's stuffed into the car, and we got everything else in there, having the sun shield disappear and not take up space is well worth it. Anyway, this is my quick review of the BrellaShield Sun Shield. I hope this has been helpful for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And we'll be back with another review of products or some other wonderful thing that I found interesting. And until next time, thanks a lot.